Globalization has become one of the most powerful forces shaping modern communication in society and the world. It has connected people across countries through technology, allowing information, ideas, and cultures to flow freely. This survey, titled "The Impact of Globalization on Communication in Society and the World," aimed to gather insights from individuals with different backgrounds, a cab driver and two private workers, to understand how globalization influences daily communication and relationships.
The responses revealed that globalization has made communication faster, easier, and more accessible for everyone, regardless of social or economic status. The use of social media platform messages, apps, and online meetings has enabled people to connect instantly with others across great distances. Respondents appreciated how technology helps them maintain personal relationships, improve workplace collaboration, and expand knowledge.
However, they also recognize the downside of this global connection. The convenience of digital communication often leads to reduced face-to-face interaction and weaker personal connections. Over-reliance on online communication can cause people to become more distant in real life.
So here's our pie chart about our survey, and the results are based on the three persons who answered our survey. So as you can see from the answers of the three respondents, their opinions can be grouped into key aspects reflecting both the positive and negative impacts of globalization on communication. Positive effects are 60%, where most respondents emphasize that globalization improved communication through faster information exchange, online connectivity, and easier access to people worldwide. Now, for the negative effects, we have 25%, where some respondents pointed out the decline in personal interaction and the risk of overdependence on digital communication. Now, for the improvement suggestions, we have 15%, where respondents suggested using the internet wisely, respecting cultural differences, and balancing online and personal communication. The pie graph clearly shows that the majority of the respondents view globalization as having a positive influence on communication, mainly through faster and easier information sharing. Meanwhile, 25% recognize its negative effects, particularly the weakening of personal connections, and the remaining 15% highlights the importance of responsible and balanced use of technology in communication. Overall, the analysis shows that globalization has brought both opportunities and challenges in the way people communicate. It emphasizes the need for balance, using technology responsible while maintaining genuine human connections, to ensure that globalization continues to strengthen rather than weaken society's social fabric. So, for our conclusion, all three respondents agreed that globalization has greatly improved communication through technology and social media. It allows people to connect, share ideas, and understand one another across distances. However, they also recognize that too much dependence on digital communication can weaken personal relationships.